Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So we're going to play some Farm Simulator 16. So we're going to continue on the world we have been playing on. I've been doing some grinding by my off camera, so that's why we have this much money. I bought a corn head and we plant corn and wheat. So hopefully we can buy a corn harvester. Hopefully we can buy a harvester just for corn. It's 95k, so we'll see how much we can buy. Right now I'm somewhere, I don't know where I am. But yeah, back at the farm, we got wheat's almost harvest gone. Corn is the same way, kind of. So, yeah, also I'd just like to say thank you for killing it. Absolutely killing it on the YouTube short, boys. Boys, we're doing so good that, this, I'm probably gonna be making more shorts sooner than you guys think I am. Also, more videos like this. This is just yeah, it's crazy. I started my channel probably 3 weeks ago, and I have 791 views on my video. That's crazy. I'm just one short. It almost went viral technically, boys. So I don't know what you guys were thinking, but you guys absolutely killed it. So yeah. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe if you like my videos, my gaming, Get the we'll give FS 16 because it's a pretty good game. Maybe I'll download FS 14 and we'll play 14 on this. Maybe. I'm thinking on this channel it'll be 16, 14, maybe Call of Duty if I can. Fortnite. Probably Minecraft or Fortnite. It depends how viral Minecraft is and how popular Fortnite is too. Because if Minecraft is really popular and Fortnite's really popular, I'll probably make a video off Fortnite. Hey, look at my wheat's already grown, so I guess we'll be harvesting this video. Maybe when we play 14, we'll make a series out of 14. And just have this be a little fun game. So yeah, we'll see how far we can get in this map before I end the video. I'm thinking we'll harvest this episode. Maybe we'll plow. We'll probably just harvest this episode and then next episode we'll plow. Probably. So we'll start up and let's go. Well, that's harder worker, and I guess I'll just relax for a bit. So yeah, thank you guys for absolutely killing it on that short. It's helped me a lot from you guys doing that. So yeah, I'll probably just harvest this episode. And we'll be done. Cause let's be honest, kinda can't be doing that much in one episode. Cause excuse me. Because between me not knowing how to edit, kind of, I'm gonna try to, since you guys killed it on that short, from now on I'm gonna try to post at least every 2 weeks, or at least post every Wednesday or Thursday. And my goal every day is probably gonna be to at least make 3 videos, probably, at least, just so then on Wednesday I can post. Because how it would work is I'd post one Wednesday. I would have 1 day where I just record, maybe today, for example. I would just record today, and then I would edit them, and then I would post Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. and do that, and like post, and like every morning at like 6 in the morning I'll post. So, yeah. Also, how's your guys' day? It's pretty cold out where I am. I'm kidding. It's actually really hot out. Yeah, wherever you guys are, it might be cold or hot. I don't know, but yeah. So, yeah. Yeah. So, yeah, maybe in the future I'll do like shout outs to like comments, maybe. So, yeah. I don't know, but till then I'm just gonna stick to playing Farm Sim and talking. So, yeah, I'm not gonna be doing anything like fancy, like Awesome Farmer or like The Squad. So, just simple videos, nothing too hard. So, yeah. Also, I'm thinking in my head, I'm probably never gonna be famous like Mr. Beast and Preston, Unspeakable, PewDiePie, Dan TDN, I think I said that right. Fun fact, I actually used to watch him. I'm probably, especially Jay Stu, I'm probably not going to be popular like Jay Stu, so, yeah. Yeah, so I'm thinking, what's this job for? No, I'm not hauling cotton, not today. Oh, shoot. Oh, actually, yes, go. We just got done hauling wheat, and of course we have to take another load of wheat. I think I'm just gonna put it in my side loads because I'm gonna wait till prices go like straight up in the air. And I'm just gonna become a selling machine. Just got to sell wheat. So I'll probably harvest corn next episode. Take this to. Let's see, I'm gonna drop this off. Actually, here, take this to storage. So yeah. And I'm finna get these little 2 pieces. Boom. 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 I would like to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.